die for this shit. Put the Bible down and go out for a nine for this shit. DOT, my enemy, won't catch a vibe for this shit. Ayy, I been stumped out in front of my mama. My daddy commissary made it to commas. Bitch, all my grandma's dead, so ain't nobody praying for. The new build is here. Gap right on that shock. See how there's like no room? Look over here. There's a ton of room. So when I put my shocks on, this shock would not mount up. It kept binding up. So what I had to do, I had to flip the trolley arms backwards. So instead of the holes being up front, they're way in the back, just so I can put regular shocks on. So whenever you made the chassis, look at this. I can't put my finger in this hole. My finger will not go in. This one right here, my finger goes straight in. This one, nope, will not go in. So this one's way too far to the right, and that one is just perfect. But, oh well now, I already flipped the trolley arms backwards and it works. I'm going to change the shocks, because the springs hit, but other than that, it's fine. Just made some custom tire mounts. I gotta get another one of these. I only have one ounce bolt. Yep, they're on. They're pretty damn good. Doesn't look horrible. I'll put other stuff, maybe like fake little scale stuff in there. So it came with some grease in it. I'm gonna put waterproof marine grease in there. Just put some waterproof marine grease inside of there. Pretty sick. Here we go. The entire front end's built.
Body like a crack-o, I fucked her in her asshole, cause her pussy smelled like a skunk that's been dead on the road. She tried to charge me 80, I said, bitch, you're crazy.
Making better shock tower mounts. Got a piece of cardboard. This is kind of what I'm going for. Big shock, this go around the frame, little shock. So, yeah, pretty cool. We just gotta see how I'm gonna get it in there. I'll probably make a slit all the way down. I don't know. Figure it out. Moved these in more. Those are the original holes. These are the other holes. The shocks fit way better on the inside. Front end super nice, rear end super nice. Batteries in the back. Receiver box mounted. Steering servos mounted. Making custom mounts for the secondary dampeners. Set up that full travel. Take that off. Type of motors I'm using. This right here is a regular 1/10 scale brush motor.